Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we're going to step you through how to upload content using ReadCloud's Content Manager. Access the Content Manager by selecting the Curate Your Own Content thumbnail at the end of your chosen class cloud. Click on the blue plus icon in the top right corner, select the type of content you'd like to add, click here to choose the file from your device's directory. Alternatively, if you're uploading a PDF or EPUB, like we are here, you can insert a web URL, handy for content your school owns but isn't being provided through the ReadCloud platform. Now you can create the image thumbnail for your content, which is what will be visible to your class cloud. Either upload an image from your device, create a text thumbnail by typing in this box, or select a page from the book to render as a thumbnail. Next, add a title, give your resource a description, and enable or disable comments by ticking the checkbox. Select Next. You can now select the virtual class clouds you want to add your content to. As a teacher, you're able to upload to all classes that you teach. Select one, many, or none at all. You can reassign the content at any time. Next, select a tag, which groups resources together to make searching and categorising content easier. The content you upload and its tags remain in your personal content manager year on year. This means your curated content can be easily added back to each new class cloud every school year. Finally and importantly, please review the terms and conditions carefully and ensure that you have the right to upload the content. Accept the terms and conditions, selecting Finish to upload your content. Now that we've uploaded the content, let's organise it into your clouds. Select the filter icon and deselect all tags and clouds. Now select the cross tag. All the content that has been categorised under that cross tag will appear in the Content Manager. It isn't reflected in your bookshelf. If you have administration access, you can view all school clouds even if you're not a member and add content on behalf of another teacher. Click on the thumbnail of the new video. Here you can edit the title, description, assign tags and clouds for content. You can also view the creation and last updated timestamps at the bottom. If you make any changes, don't forget to hit save in the top left. Click on the 3 horizontal dots to the right of your virtual class cloud. You can now reorder the content by dragging the content items up or down to reflect curriculum planning. Click the Home button at any time in the top left corner to return to your bookshelf. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.